Hello everyone, we are here with Galina to discuss what are the best collagen stimulating treatments and what combinations we should really follow or ask our practitioner to perform for us to get the best and long lasting results.
Let's start first with PRP plasma in combination with exosomes, but this time combination of your own exosomes. This is something innovative, medical, that is already in aesthetics, and we have it in our clinic. That is successful protocol to achieve the best results in terms of skin regeneration, skin health, and equal natural lifting, youthful appearance, freshness, and the most important, healthy skin, healthy looking, fresh skin.
I want to say that we fall in love in PRP many years ago in 2019, where we tested for the first time PRP, and the effect was so impressive that from there until today it's our bestseller and our favorite even for us. Over the years, of course, many innovations and new protocols. We created new protocols and our signature protocol to perform the PRP in a way that is not performed everywhere. The way we do is a very our signature approach with based on experience and knowledge. We start with a very, very good detox of the skin, removing all the dead cells of the surface, and then stimulating with stimulating the growth factors with the PRP to produce more collagen. From there, you get the best and long-lasting results. And here I also want to say that we are very proud to say that we are one of the first clinics in London and first even worldwide to have one of the most innovative machine that it's producing exosomes from your own bloodstream. So exosomes that are your own ones, which makes them very safe. We can inject and we can needle on the surface of the skin.
One thing, there are machines that are making exosomes from your plasma, but they are mechanical. These ones are quantum energy involved, so quite scientifical. It comes really from the field, scientific field. So this is the unique because there are machines for making your own exosomes, but they are more mechanical. That is the new method, new technology, very high-tech technology. How we help? Let's say the results. How we help with plasma? Acne scars, even very bad acne, rosacea, dermatitis, skin dullness, aging, precocious aging, so wrinkles, pigmentations,
minus
sagging. So that covers the whole picture of the skin concerns. That
also
is the
very
amazing.
effective treatment when it comes to the under eye area. Under eye area is very, very delicate, and not many treatments are suitable to be used around the eye area. Remember, the skin under the eye especially, and also on the upper eyelid, is very thin, so always we are very careful of what protocol, what products we can use in order to achieve the best results, most effective but also safe. And PRP, exosome therapy, and some
Covers all this,
covers
yeah,
all
yeah.
of it. And not only that, of course, what mentioned Galina, it's the most important is those type of treatments are reducing the inflammation, and scientifically this is proven that it leads to younger, healthier skin.
Yeah, because we're talking about the skin regeneration, talking about also the under eye area. Fillers doesn't fix that problem, and this has been already discussed in the latest few years, even on all the important conferences with actually people that have experienced more than 30 years, from surgeon to doctors and aestheticians, practitioners, that actually the fillers doesn't solve that problem, but even enhancing the problem, especially when we treat under eye area that hasn't been treated. Imagine that is no-go protocol for all practitioners that are well informed with the new achievements in our aesthetic and medical world.
Here, I want to add on one important thing. It's why, when we combine machine treatments such as laser, skin stimulation, microneedling, RF, why we always aim to make a combination protocol, because the machines are not enough in the results, and when they're combined with the regenerative medicines such as PRP or exosome therapy, they give the best results. Wow results, long lasting, very effective. Skin looks different. The feedback of most clients is, yes, I had this treatment, and a week later most of my friends told me, you look very fresh. What you have done? What you've done?
Have you been on holiday?
Have you been on holiday?
Yes.
This is the result we want to achieve with these treatments, and this is the desired result of majority of women and men, that they want to look their best in their age.
Natural,
they want to look natural, and they want to look fresh. This you can achieve with
plasma, exosomes, and one more thing just to finish what we have told at we are the own pharmacy. Why? And this is, our body is able to heal, and what we do with the regenerative medical procedures is helping that healing, regeneration that leads to rejuvenation, nice looking, fresh and beautiful skin. So you are the own pharmacy. We are the own pharmacy. Our job, our work, that is amazing, it's to help you stimulate that pharmacy to work in the best way for you in terms of even overall health and beautiful appearance.
Hope you enjoyed our informative video about the stimulating collagen production treatments, and we would love to see you in our next one. If you are happy to receive more information from us and skin tips and healthy skin tips, please subscribe. We are very pleased to have you here with us.
And we see that many people are watching us, and I will appreciate if you give us a like or even comment, because any comment is useful and we grow with that, we learn, and we want also to answer all your questions that you might have, all the uncertainty that you might have in that enormous world of treatments and offers. We are here really to help. This is our mission and our pleasure.
And don't forget, if you're in London, come and visit us.
Oh, yes, come.
We offer free video consultation prior your visit. So if you come from abroad, we have many clients that they come from abroad, free video consultation, free face-to-face, also consultation. We can offer you skin analysis. The price of the skin analysis, it's redeemable with our treatments or products. So there is no
waste of time and money.
No waste of time and money. So if you're in London, come and visit us.
Thank you.